Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can animate your picture and how you can make your AI video to to talk, like your character to be on a safer side, and using it for different kind of things. So we're going to be using this AI. We're going to be using this AI called Grok. So if you're using an Android phone, just go to your Play Store and download Grok. Okay, if you are using iPhone, you can download it on Apple Store. Download the app. Okay. So I've already downloaded it. So since I've already downloaded it, I don't need to download again. Okay. And if you are using PC, you can just go to your website, using any browser of your choice. You can use a Chrome browser, you can use Safari browser, Firefox, and you type www.grok.ai. okay, so let's launch it. This Grok, you have to input your prompt. Okay, you have to input your prompt before you do anything. You can see something here like imagine, you can see something like ask, you can see something like create videos, open camera, voice mode, and etc. Okay, so as a first timer, it may ask you to log in. Is that taking? It may ask you to log in. Okay, once you log in, you can log in with your Gmail. Is that taking? So I will start with this imagine. Okay, we'll start by clicking this imagine. Okay, so you need to give in a prompt for this thing to act according to whatever you want to create. Is that taking? You need to give it a prompt. So like for example, now I want to imagine an image of a young man. Okay, of a young man. Okay, sitting on a bed, maybe, or let's just say, yes, sitting on a bed, or you can just say a young man who is just waking up on the bed. Okay, preparing to pray. Or we can just say the young man is folding his arm. Okay, so said who is just waking up on the bed, trying to pray inside his room. Okay, so you can give additional information. Okay, if you want to describe how the room should look like, you can just try to describe the lighting condition on the ambient color of the room and other things that you can just the decoration. But I don't want to provide more information. This AI is too intelligent to just send it to provide me with accurate results. Okay, so you need to send by clicking here. Okay, so once you click there, it will send. So you can see different results here. Now in this course I'm not teaching you how to like all these pictures. We have varieties of pictures. You can just choose anyone that you like. Okay, you can choose anyone that you like. So I love this first. I love this. So looking at this, you have two options. It's either you make it a video here. You can either make it a video yourself, but I don't want to use that method. You can either click on make it a video to turn it to video. Okay, so but instead I want to download this picture. I want to download it as picture. Okay, so you can download it as picture. Click on download. So once you click on download, it will download as picture. Okay, once you download it, you can now import it back so that we can customize it. We can tell our picture what to do and what the picture must not do. Okay, by instructing the picture on what to do. Okay, so how do we do that? Since I've downloaded it, then you click on this place, click on this icon that look like image. That's for uploading of images that you have downloaded. Okay, so while clicking on it, I'm trying to select the particular picture I downloaded. This is the particular picture I downloaded, so just try and upload it. Okay, so you can see that that particular picture that I downloaded is already uploading. Okay, so you can see now this picture has already turned to a video, but I don't want something like this. I don't want something like this. I want to customize. Come to this place where they said type to customize video. What does that mean? That if you want to add or you want to instruct this young man here lying on the bed, whatever you want this young man to do, you have to type it here. Okay, I don't want this video to be longer than this. I will do that one in part 2 of this video. See you in the next class. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Vivid TV. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.